Birds are out. Listen to the birds talking to each other. See that Stellar's Jay up there? Yeah, he's now down there. And in that tree. See him? Hear those birds, they're so cool. That's a bird. And that is too. Lots of birds are out in the early morning where we are. Look. Let's see if we can find that bird that's picking up. Oh, it's a jay right there in the tree, climbing up to the top. You'll see him in a sec. Oh, see him? Oh, that bird was saying woo woo. Those two are jays, Stellar's jays. Blue jays don't live here. Stellar's jays are birds. They talk to each other. That's my little brother. He's coming out to help. So here, see? Oh, those are more Stellar's jays. And it's so cool. Bro, I want to point out some stuff. Look at that bird in the tree. It's a Stellar's jay. Take a picture. Come on. No, this is a video. This is a video, so you can see the jays in it. Oh, this is awesome. Let's go over here. Oh, look, springtime's here. Our daffodils are blooming. See? They're blooming. Daffodils are blooming. Birds love springtime. They even nest. I'll show you the birdhouse I put up. The bird.
What? Is that done?
So, there's the birdhouse. There's bird suet. There's bird blackseed. And there's a bird feeder. Bye. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.